Okay, in this presentation, we are going to explore the branches of philosophy. So, without further ado, let's discuss about the branches. Branches of philosophy can be taken as four branches mainly. Uh, those will be metaphysics, epistemology, axiology, and the logic. Metaphysics. So, meta is something like go beyond. So physics is like something physically stuff like earth, universe, time, like that stuff. So metaphysics focuses on the investigating the nature of the reality around the world around us, right? So we are going to explore the questions about the origin of the nature, origin of the universe, the essence of being, and the underlying principles of the existence. So that is what is called metaphysics. Epistemology. Epistome means by knowledge and the ology meaning like as a study of. So when we will concatenate the both, so we can get an idea it is seeking about the knowledge and the truth. What is the example? Exploring the source of knowledge through experience by considering how we learn that fire is hot. So we are going to learn about axiology. Axio in the sense is like a values. So ology is study of. So study about the values and the principles is known as the axiology. So what kind of ethical consideration? Here is giving a ethic example. Please look at it. So it is justifiable to lie to someone to protect someone from harm. So in logic, there will be a systematic study of a valid reasoning based upon the inductive and the deductive reasoning. When it comes to deductive reasoning, it's general to specific. Like all men are mortal, so the Aristotle is a man. So Aristotle is mortal. Like that. Inductive reasoning will be specific to general. So swans will be white. So all swans will be white.